What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV. We don't discriminate. We believe all tech deserves some love. All right, people. So today in front of me, I have the Soundcore Space One over-the-ear headphones. This video should have been done about 3 weeks ago. I apologize, Soundcore. Please forgive me. Life just happened. And honestly, people, Soundcore hasn't missed with over-the-ear headphones in, I don't think ever, in my opinion. Well, at least since they started sending me over-the-ear headphones to review, all of them have been amazing and just building off of the previous one, going back to the Q30s, to the Q35s, the Space 45s, and now with these Space One over-the-ear headphones. I guess what I'm trying to say is just go get these. You will not be disappointed. Peace. That was easy.
Want to see some love? It's Love Day. I'm showing people love out here on the court.
All right, people, so you can pick these headphones up on Amazon or the Soundcore website. And as always, I'll put the links in the description down below. Going around the front of this box right here, as you can see, it says noise canceling up, crowd noise down, Space One. So to me, they're putting an emphasis on ANC mode and transparency mode. You also have your high-res audio wireless, high-res audio, adaptive ANC. On the back side, it says powerful noise reduction tailored to voices, noise canceling adapts to your environment, crisp high-res sound via dynamic drivers, adjustable transparency to tune to your world, worry-free battery, 40 hours with ANC on, 55 hours with ANC off. I'll talk more about that in a little bit. Ergonomic design for all-day comfort. On the inside of this box, as you do open up, one thing that I didn't notice right off the bat is that you get no carrying case. All the headphones that I mentioned at the beginning of this video, you got some kind of carrying case. With these, no carrying case, but you do get a carrying pouch. Before I get into the headphones, let me go ahead and put those to the side and talk about the accessories that we have in here. You do have some literature right here. We'll be talking about that. And here is your carrying pouch right here, people. As you can see, this is your powder blue color to match the blue of the headphones. So I'm guessing if you got the other two colors, it will match the headphone as well. And I'll get into the colors in a little bit. You also have a colored match headphone right here, and you also have your USB type A to USB type C charging cable. I did forget to mention to talk about the colors. So as you can see, these do come in 3 different colors. You have your sky blue, you have your latte cream, and you have your jet black, and here are your images right here. So this is your latte cream right here. This is the blue that I have, and then also here is your jet black right here. I like the color of the jet blue, just how it looks in general. The aesthetics is amazing, but I would probably just go for the black. That's just my style. Now going back to the battery life on these headphones, like I said earlier, you do get 40 hours with ANC on and then 55 hours with ANC off. Now that's also at 50% volume. Actual playtime will vary depending on volume, audio source, and environmental interference usage. So I think it's safe to say that you'll get at least 24 hours of playback time with ANC on or ANC off, no matter which conditions you listen to these under. Oh yeah, and then also these do include fast charge with your USB type C port on the bottom of the left ear cup. And a 5-minute charge will give you around 4 hours of playback time. These do have Bluetooth 5.2 in them, high-res audio with LDAC support, like I said earlier, but the LDAC is restricted by the Bluetooth bandwidth and is not supported with multi-point connection turned on. So then just make sure that multi-point connection on these is turned off if you want to utilize that codec. And with that being said, yes, these do have multi-point connection in here, people. On the left ear cup right here, you do have your wearing detection sensor right here. And so what this wearing detection sensor is for, which is self-explanatory. As you're wearing these, you have music playing, whatever, you take these off, these will go automatically in pause. And then if you keep them off long enough, eventually they'll go into standby mode and then cut off, so you will save battery life. You also have 5 levels of adjustable transparency, which I'll talk more about when I get inside the app. Okay, so going around these headphones right here, as you can see, these do have swivel ear cups right here, and they do have the foldable design to be more compact when you're on the go. On the left ear cup, you also have your USB type C charging port, and then you also your 3.5mm headphone jack, your power button, and your noise cancellation button. And then on the right ear cup, as you can see, you have your volume up, your volume down button. You also have your play pause button. Your volume up, volume down button also doubles as your track forward and track back. And your play pause button can also end and answer phone calls. You do have your adjustable headband right here. Soft cushion, soft ear cups, pretty sturdy if I do say so myself. Now the first thing I noticed when I took these headphones out of the box is just how soft they are. So I don't know what kind of leather this is right here, but it is extremely soft. And I do believe that there is memory foam underneath the ear cup right here. And then also, as you can see, you do have your Soundcore logos on the outside of each ear cup. And one thing that I would like to point out is that these do not have touch surfaces on here. They're all physical buttons. So if you're looking for headphones with touch surfaces, these might not be the perfect product for you. These do have 40mm drivers on the inside, and they are very, very lightweight. And that was something that I actually took for granted because I guess all of the headphones that I tested out, they were pretty much all lightweight, or they were mainly made of a plastic design, until I tried the AirPod Max and I realized that metal body, it just wasn't it. It was too heavy, and having light headphones is definitely something I noticed after comparing the AirPod Maxes to other all plastic headphones.
Now, when it comes to call quality, as you hear my voice right now, people, that is exactly how the other person on the other end of the phone will hear you. Now, these do have 3 mics in these headphones with AI algorithm for call quality. So you should be able to get the best call quality out of here. I won't know how this sounds until post, and I'm going to put some ambient noise on just to see how these actually hold up underneath somewhat of a real world test. Give me 1 second. All right, people. So as you can see, I do have my Onyx Studio 7 right here. This is going to be an extreme ambient sound check when it comes to these headphones. So let me go ahead and press play. Epidemic sound, no copyright strikes. Let's go. All right, so that's at 50% right there. I'm going to go ahead and turn it up to 100% and let it rock for about like 5 to 10 seconds. Let me know how these actually sound. Leave a comment down below. All right, people, so that concludes my call quality check when it comes to these Soundcore Space One headphones. Like I said before, this was a little bit of an extreme test because the speaker is right here. So take that in mind when you are listening to this portion of this video.
All right, people, so what you want to do when you first get these headphones is download the Soundcore app if you don't have it already. Once you hook these headphones up to your mobile device via Bluetooth, they will pop up in the menu right here. As you can see, it says Soundcore Space One connected. First thing I want to talk about is your MMO block right here. So right here is where you'll see you have your noise cancellation, your normal, and then also your transparency mode. And one thing that I wanted to point out to you is that when you're on noise cancellation and you go down to mode right here, this is where you have your 5 different levels of custom noise cancellation and also your adaptive noise cancellation right here if that's something that you're into. Under transparency mode, you have the same thing. You go under mode, you have your 5 levels of transparency mode. I'm going to keep it on transparency mode so I'm not yelling at you during this video. And then there is nothing underneath normal, just in case if you're wondering. Underneath that, you do have easy chat. So what easy chat does is that when someone comes along and they start talking to you, you hold down your left ear cup. It will turn the volume down on whatever you're listening to, and then it will turn on transparency mode so that you can have a conversation. I've seen these on the Sonys as well. Once you release that, it'll go back to your ANC mode or whatever mode you had it in before you started holding down the left ear cup. That's easy chat. And then you have your sound effects tab right here. This is where you control your EQs, your presets, and then you also have your Hear ID sound right here. You click on that. To get it looking like this, you have to run through a series of tests. If you can hear a beep, not hear a beep, it'll do it left and right ears, and then it will set this curve right here for you. So that's how your ears are shaped on the inside. It adjusts accordingly, and it'll come up with something that they think that will sound best for you. Underneath your default, this is where you get all your presets right here. I'm not gonna go ahead and read those to you. Feel free to pause the video to read those out. And then you have your custom EQ. So if the Hear Sound ID is not working for you and the presets aren't working for you, go in here and adjust the EQ exactly how you want it. And then you have your controls right here, and as you can see, it's pretty much self-explanatory. One button to adjust, which is your noise cancellation button towards the back on your left ear cup, and then you can adjust the single tap and double tap. And that's a quick rundown on the Soundcore app, or everything that I think is important inside the Soundcore app. So overall, people, at a $100 price point, you get a foldable, lightweight design, amazing sound, a versatile app, and then also that great Soundcore quality product that never disappoints. Well, I'm never disappointed. The only thing that I would like to see different is that if this carrying pouch was an actual carrying case. I'm not mad at this. I understand why they did this. is probably to cut down on price, because this is the first time I've actually seen a carrying pouch for their over-the-ear headphones, and it's not a deal breaker to me. Headphones, $100 price point. Like I said, it has amazing qualities. If you're in the market for some new over-the-ear headphones, definitely give these Soundcore Space ones a try. You will not be disappointed. And that's all I got for you people. As always, if this is your first time here, or if you found any value in this video whatsoever, go ahead, smash that subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notification when I drop my next tech video. As always, thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.